Hi everyone, my name is Lucas Matheson. I'm the Director of Operations here at Shopify, and this is Shawn French, our Partnerships Engineering Lead. It was great to meet everybody in San Francisco, and for everyone that we get a chance to meet, we look forward to seeing you next year at Unite 2018 in Toronto. One of the themes at Unite this year was commitment, and I hope it's really clear and obvious to everyone how committed we are to our partners and our developers. We spend a lot of time thinking about how we can do more to help you build super successful businesses on Shopify. And Shawn and I are here to talk about how we're doing that. I'm going to talk about the future and our direction and introduce a few things that we're working on to help you grow and be successful. And Shawn's going to show you things that we've been working on to help you move faster on the platform. So there's never been a better time to grow and build on Shopify than right now. We're at a scale where you can build really niche solutions that literally tens of thousands of our merchants need to be successful. So whatever you're specializing in, there's so much new opportunity to innovate. And a really good example of this is our affiliate partners. So this year, we had a number of affiliate partners build really successful businesses online, helping merchants and future entrepreneurs build successful stores. They help them find products, market those products, and build successful businesses. With Shopify Plus, we have an entire new class of merchants for you to focus on. And with all of our new APIs and SDKs that we released at Unite, there's so much new opportunity for you to build and innovate really unique commerce experiences on the platform. So in case you didn't know, we have an incredible team at Shopify. We're over 100 now, focused 100% on our partners, our program, and your success. From partner managers to engineers, designers, and developers, an entire team's focused on data, platform, apps, themes, and support. And of course, our content team that deliver all the great resources to you every week, like our blogs and webinars. Over 100,000 people around the world learn from every single month. We're all committed to your success and helping you grow as a partner on Shopify. So last year when this team came to Unite, we committed to learning as much from you as possible, and we did. We learned a lot. We heard that we can do more to help you streamline your workflow. We heard that we can do more to help you understand the full breadth and scope of Shopify, and we got a lot of really good insight into how we can improve our program, your experience, and ultimately how we can help you grow faster. So fast forward through one busy, impactful year, and let's just say that we took that learning opportunity really seriously. In the history of this program, we have never invested more into our partners and our ecosystem than we are right now. We've made unprecedented investments into our infrastructure, our teams, and our solutions to help you build successful businesses. This is part of our mission to make commerce better for everyone. So, as you know, trust is at the foundation of everything we do with our merchants. And this ecosystem is an extension of that trust. We want your potential clients to know how much we trust you and how successful you've been on Shopify. I know a lot of partners have been asking about certification, and we're really excited to finally be working on it. You're going to be hearing a lot more about certification later in the year. So this year, we have an entire new team focused on education. I think we can all appreciate that commerce is complicated, and that makes it fun for us, but it means that as our platform evolves, we need to do a better job at helping you understand all the technical solutions available on the platform, but also, and often more importantly, is how to think about growing a business as a Shopify partner. And one of the best ways to do this is to learn directly from our most experienced partners. So we're getting ready to launch an education program for you. And we're starting with online courses that are focused mostly on your business, right? How do you grow a better, successful business on Shopify? How do you find clients? How do you pitch clients? How do you get referrals, grow installs, and better communicate the full scope of what our platform offers? Thank you to these incredible launch partners who worked really hard to help build our first set of online courses. You're going to find them really valuable, and we're going to be doing a lot more. If you think you're a partner that would like to contribute to the community and teach something interesting about your success, here's an email address, and you can get in touch directly with this team. We're also going to be strengthening the value of our partner managers and growing teams of growth coaches to help our successful partners take their business to the next level. We've had the privilege of working with thousands of partners from around the world and really excited to offer custom playbooks and strategies to partners who are ready to scale their business. At this year's Unite, we had hundreds of partners from around the world who traveled to San Francisco outside North America. And it was really fun on day 2 to walk around and meet so many people from around the world working on really interesting solutions for our merchants. This year, we launched our international partner team, and they're on the ground, and they're there for you to help you understand the markets and the opportunities in them. At the end of the day, everything we're doing is focused on widening your funnel. Right? This means us doing a better job at helping you find quality leads for the services and the solutions that you provide. This means us doing a better job at helping you understand everything Shopify offers so that you can deliver the absolute best solution for your clients. And this means us helping you grow your business, your team, and your bottom line. We are more excited than ever about the opportunity for you to build and grow on Shopify and all the things that we're working on here to help you be more successful. I'm going to pass it off to Shawn. He's going to show you a few things that we've been working on already. Shawn.
Thanks, Lucas. Hi, I'm Shawn. I lead the Partnerships R&D team at Shopify, which is an extremely talented group of people who devote each working day to improving the Shopify ecosystem. Basically, we love partners. From product to design, engineering, and data, we've built a world-class R&D team dedicated to helping your businesses scale with Shopify. So let's dive into some of the big improvements that we've been working on. Now, I'm sure you're all familiar with the Shopify Partner dashboard. It's the portal to your business on Shopify. We built it a while ago, and it's done a decent job, but it hasn't really evolved. It doesn't always make things easy or even possible. We know this has resulted in frustrations and slowdowns for both you and the merchants we all serve. Well, forget those days. Over the past few months, our engineers have completely rebuilt and modernized the infrastructure, while our designers made a ton of improvements to streamline your workflows. With the new partner dashboard, building and operating a business for Shopify Partners is now easier than ever before. We're really excited to share what we've built, so without further delay, I'd like to present your new Shopify Partner experience. The first thing you'll notice is it looks a lot better. Using patterns and practices from Shopify's brand new Polaris design system, the new dashboard is beautiful, with augmented usability and accessibility throughout. Your new experience is fast, it's clean, it's modern. We're loving the new look and hope you do too. Now, let's dive into some major improvements that aren't just pretty, but will also make your lives easier. We've made finding things incredibly fast and easy. Everything you need is now accessible with just a few keystrokes. Simply open the dashboard, start typing, and you'll see a ton of clickable results that match your query, including navigation items, quick actions, help and API documentation, plus featured blog posts. Results also include your products and services like apps and themes, along with your stores, the stores that you're connected to. I'm so pumped about the new find. We know your time is money, and these kinds of improvements are going to save you time so you can move fast and get shit done. Now, the next thing I want to show unlocks a ton of potential. It's by far the most requested feature I've received and the one I'm most excited to deliver. Team management. Gone are the old and insecure days of having to share an account and password with your team. We're introducing personal logins with configurable levels of access. In other words, your new Shopify Partner login is personal and secure. So with this awesome addition, you can control and customize access to your dashboard. So just like a Shopify store, owner accounts have full permissions to manage your business. They can view financials, manage stores, apps, themes, and memberships. Basically, they can do everything. So if you're a one-person shop, then that's all you need. But for those of you working in teams, we've got you covered with configurable permissions on each account. So new members can be invited with the access levels they need to do their jobs. Now, if their roles change and you need to change those permissions, no problem. You can update permissions or remove access entirely at any point in time. Another big and exciting improvement made possible by individual accounts is the addition of two-factor authentication. So if enabled, you'll need two pieces of information to sign in: your password and a single-use code generated by either an app or through a text message. So you can never be too secure, and we're really happy to provide two-factor auth to all partners, just as we do for all Shopify merchants. Okay, let's switch gears and talk about why we're all here: helping merchants. Previously, getting work started on a store could involve a lot of manual and cumbersome back and forth. It wasn't fun. Whether building a new store from scratch or working with an existing merchant, we know you need access to the client's store as soon as possible. Our new and improved workflows will completely streamline the way you manage merchant relationships and the way you access their stores. The new store details feature gives you a quick and accurate overview of your business relationship with a merchant, along with all the tools you need to work on the store. For example, let's say you're an app developer and you recently found a bug in your app. Now, it might have only affected a few merchants, but you'll probably want to reach out, maybe even offer a discount using the application credit functionality. But before you do, you want to learn a bit more about these merchants. When did they install your app? How much have they paid for it? How can you contact them? In the past, getting all this information about a merchant wasn't all that straightforward or easy to do. Now, you have this new store details view that shows everything you need to know about a merchant store. You can see the money you've earned and how you earned it. You can see a timeline of events relating the merchant to all of your products and services, such as your apps and themes. And depending on your relationship, you can also see their contact information or log into their store with one click. All right, speaking of access, as many of you know, we recently launched collaborator accounts, a much better way to request store access and collaborate with merchants. So since the launch only 3 months ago, we've seen tens of thousands of merchants give partners direct access to their stores with this slick new experience. So if you haven't already, try it out. For your next project, go to your dashboard, request access, get approved, and you'll start work in no time. Okay, so if you're developing a new store, and when you've completed your work, it's time for the merchant to launch. So you'll want to make use of this next feature. We've made it easier than ever to transfer development stores to your clients. We know the previous handoff process was clunky and even painful. But as you can see, your new store transfer process is way better. Simply choose the new owner's account, suggest a plan, and write a quick message. Now, your rev share is set up, the new owner can pick a plan, and you'll maintain access to the store for any future collaborations. Great stuff. Now, getting back to you developers, we've also made big improvements around extending Shopify. As you heard at Unite, we're releasing a ton of new functionality for building new and improved apps and experiences for Shopify merchants and their customers. So if you haven't already, check out the developer guides and documentation for details about all these new APIs and SDKs. But also, be sure to explore the apps area of your dashboard because you'll see how we've simplified your workflows and improved access to the data and functionality you all need. And there's lots more to come. Our teams remain focused on getting you more data and improved analytics. So look out for even more changes to help you build, launch, and scale your products and services with Shopify. Okay, so I just showed you a lot of new and improved functionality built with all of you in mind. The new Shopify Partner dashboard with all of these features is already live, and it's waiting for you to explore. The best way to learn more is to check out our amazing Shopify Partner blog, where you'll find more details about these exciting updates and so much more. So, as you heard from Lucas, and I'm sure you heard at Unite, Shopify is heavily invested in partners. We truly value your contributions, so please keep up the great work, and we'll continue to focus on scaling this incredible ecosystem. Thanks for your time today. But most of all, thanks for the inspiration. Thanks for your patience, and thanks for your continued feedback and collaboration. See you all again at Unite 2018.